Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Meizu M8 to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and tap on the search bar. Now you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then select Receive on an Android and Send on Meizu. Now you need to click on all of those kind of dots and select Send in order to send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one photo. Just send and click Got it. From here we have the connection ways. We can input this key over here and then just tap on receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on an Android, choose allow and point your camera at the QR code. Then wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully sent. You can always make sure of it by going into some kind of Files app, clicking on, in my case, Images, and looking for Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!